I might regret actually turning the volume up, because I can't actually hear the recording. I can only hear myself in the game. So, anyway, today we're gonna be doing this. Ow. So what you do, we're gonna get this about here. First, we turn the sound down to a manageable level. And hopefully it's enough fuel. You stop about here. You refuel. You go on top of the vehicle. Jump off of here. And press this button. You then go over here. Press this button, and then the vehicle should turn 90 degrees. And then you press this button, then this button. Then you press this button. Then you press this button. And then you press this button yet again. And then you press this button. Then you go over here. Then you press that button. And then you continue from here. I mean, that's literally it. Although, a neat side effect of the new wheels is not only do you actually go faster, but also that annoying little gap in the middle of the wheels that kept allowing you to fall down as you move is fixed. And you also got a neat little reinforced overlay over the tank. And here's the speed boost.